How to book driving assessment, how to find early dates, when to look. So now it's, what's today? Thursday, the 16th of June, 2022. And it's about 10 to 11. They usually release tests. The Department of Transport usually releases tests Monday to Thursday, roughly between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Okay, so we're going to check now. We've got a test under one of our students' names, but the key is to check frequently and refresh the button at least a few times and check different centres as well. Okay, let's check. So you've got to hit continue. Okay, so we've got him at the moment, the one for the 22nd of November 11:25 at Mirrabooka. So hit change. And let's see, let's choose, let's see, Cannington, for example. Hit search. 11th to the 10th. So not too soon, so we'll pass on that one. Joondalup. Hit search. See, they've got some in October, which is better than, you know, when I checked last night, it was like literally January next year. Okay. Kelmscott's probably the most difficult to find. See, no bookings available for the day requested. Okay, but then again, what you would need to do, even if there's nothing, if it's, you know, Monday to Thursday, like I mentioned, between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., you would frequently hit the search button to see if it changed. Okay, so I will check back later anyway. So let's check Midland. They should have some in Midland. Yeah, so that's 19th of September. Let's see. Mirrabooka. Mirrabooka should have plenty. Yeah, 1st of September would be the closest one at the moment. 1st of September. Okay. Rockingham. 23rd of September. Success. 20th. And West Perth should have some early ones. Yeah, the 26th of the 8th. Okay. Okay, so let's check back to Kelmscott. Nothing again. So yeah, it is the most difficult to find, even though it's a driving test hub, what they call it. You know, it's the place where you can only do driving tests. There's no paperwork, registration, payments or anything. So for the time being, I'll pick one up for this young bloke in Mirrabooka. 1st to 9th, 150, okay. So it's giving you warning, you know, you have to obviously pass the hazard perception test before you attempt a practical driving assessment. After completion, make sure you put your email address and obviously your mobile phone. It's optional, so you get the confirmation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.